Hi everyone. Today I want to share some simple tips on how to manage your credit card debt. First, if you do have credit card debt, the first thing you want to do is write down all the cards that you have, the current balance, the minimum payment, and the interest rates. Next, what you want to try and do is consolidate or look for better rates. So if you have cards that don't have an interest rate or don't have an annual fee, you want to utilize those and try and consolidate your debt. Be careful though, when you're consolidating debt, that they have to watch out for the details. Introductory offers sometimes have a date where they will end, and then you need to make sure that the interest rate that you are paying is not significantly higher than some of the other cards that you do have. Next, you want to look at improving your credit card interest rates. One of the things that you can do is call your credit card companies and ask them if they are willing to negotiate the interest rate. The good news is the worst they're going to say is no. And you might be surprised that they may negotiate with you. They typically, just like some of our subscription services, are willing to get a lower rate of return or a lower price if they can continue to keep you as a customer. The next thing you want to do is budget. I know we all hate that word, budget, but looking at your expense, what you're going to have to pay each month on your credit cards, and put that as part of your expenses so you can account for them. Get that highest debt paid down first. Make sure that you are also still making payments on your other cards. Next, you want to make sure that you set some goals. The long-term goal, of course, is to get your debt paid off, but set some short-term goals as well. For example, if you want to pay off a certain dollar amount or a certain card in a 6-month or 1-year time frame, set that goal. And then, of course, look at those goals on occasion as well. When you reach the goal, set another goal. You also want to make sure that you track your progress. Now, tracking progress doesn't mean that you're focused on credit card debt every single minute of every single day, but set time, whether that be on a monthly basis or a quarterly basis, to review your debt and your repayment schedule. One final thing, if credit card debt is causing you such financial stress, consider paying with cash. That way you have the opportunity to decide what you can purchase based on the cash that you have available. And remember, getting rid of credit card debt is a long-term goal. Focus on short-term goals, and those short-term goals will help you substantially in your financial future.